The DC 24 volts portable solar air conditioner. Now we are working the cooling mode. The air temperature outlet is 12.9. This is discharge for the condenser. This is the current voltage 24.4 and the current is 26.6. The power consumption is about 80. It can cooling and heating. This is the nameplate.